Hey, Kevin here for Digital Moose. In this video, I'm going to help you set up a powerful foundation for your business using the Business Foundation Blueprint tool. And in case you're watching this video somewhere other than on our tool page, you can find it on digitalmoose.ai/business foundation blueprint. And we also have a full walkthrough video that you can watch after this short explanation. Before you dive into the Business Foundation Blueprint, we want to start with a brief introduction on how to use it correctly. Before you get started, you'll see a drop down with the name Blueprint Scope. And it's very important that you pick the right one here and that you understand when you need to choose what option. This short video will help you understand both options so you can get the most out of this powerful tool. And as you can see, there's a little introduction text on this page that shows you the difference between broad and specific. These are the two options that you can pick from when using this tool. So what's the difference? Our tool lets you map out your business in two ways. Broad gives you the full picture, which is ideal for outlining your overall strategy, especially if you're offering multiple products or services. But if your business is focused on just one thing, broad may be all that you need. But in most cases, it's just a place to start and then move on to the more specific layers. Now, if you want to zoom in on a specific service or product that you offer, there's the option specific. And this is where you go deep on one offer at a time. It's especially useful if you want targeted insights for different services or products. And we always recommend to start with broad to get a clear base for your company structure and then use the specific afterwards to dig into the details. And here's a quick example. Imagine you run a web solutions company and you offer web design, web development, and website maintenance. If you select broad, you answer the questions based on all of those. So when we ask about your audience, your answers might include something like local retailers needing a modern site, or startups looking for scalability, and online shops that care about uptime. Here you keep your answers broad and more general to match all the types of clients and industries that you serve. And at the end, we'll organize everything for you and send you a free report containing both your answers and an in-depth analysis. Now, once you finish the tool for your broad market, it's recommended to choose specific and focus on just one product or product type or service. Now, for example, if we stick to the web solutions example, a specific service would be something like website maintenance. And this time your answer should really zero in on that one offer. And you might list audiences like e-commerce brands that lose money during downtime or subscription platforms that rely on consistent performance. Now, we also have a full video to guide you to the tool that you can use while filling out the questions. It is important to keep in mind that that video focuses more on the specific version of the tool, but the concept remains exactly the same. So if you're working with broad, just answer each question with your full business in mind, just like we showed you in the web solutions example. They're the same questions, just viewed through a broader lens. So how exactly do you choose? If you only got one core service or product or a very specific niche, broad will likely cover it all. But if you have multiple services or products that might target a slightly separate audience, we recommend to start with broad and then run the tool again in specific mode for each product or service after it. It may seem like a lot of work, but once you've done it, you have saved your business a lot of time and money because everything you will do will start with the right foundation. Now let's get started, choose your option and move on to the next video. Everything you need is right there in the tool. So see you in the next one.